It's the #1 podcast for cleaning business owners. Candid Cleaning Conversations.
Cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join TENACITY Academy Mentorship Program.
Welcome back to another episode of Candid Cleaning Conversations. Yes, and I have my co-host on my side here, Miss Tamika. Say hello to everybody, Miss Tamika.
Hey, everybody.
All right. So tonight's topic is all about relationships and business. Okay. I feel like this is a really fun topic. We haven't done a topic like this yet thus far. And it's really important because I need my audience to know how important it is to have a supportive partner on your side. Don't you agree?
I absolutely do agree.
Okay. So, for instance, for me, I know back in the day when I used to, I tried to do a magazine one time. I was doing music, like every business venture that I wanted to dig into. I was not in the right relationship. I wasn't in the right space, and I didn't have anyone like pouring any goodness into my vision, which ended, which everything just kind of failed. All of my business ventures, evidently, they down the drain. I was in toxic relationship after toxic relationship after toxic relationship. Okay. And you cannot grow whenever you have a partner that's not pouring back into you. Okay. So that's what I went through. And sometimes you got to go through those hard times before you can find exactly what you need. You know what I'm saying? Because It was a time when I didn't even know what the hell I wanted. I just wanted to be single, be by my damn self. Okay. But now I'm not single anymore. I do have a partner, very supportive. So I know both sides now. I know how it felt when I didn't have a supportive partner versus now that I do have a supportive of someone supportive that's just pouring into my vision every day. And man, the company has been able to flourish, so I just want my audience to know that you can do more with a supportive partner than you can by yourself. Two people will always run circles around one. Don't you agree?
I would agree. I would definitely agree. Just my intake on having a supportive partner. I like to always reference to my supportive partner being like the root of a tree, because I want somebody who's going to be stable. I don't want somebody who's going to be like the leaf on a tree, which is going to fly over here and fly over there and be unstable. I need someone who's going to be there when times get tough. I need someone who's going to be able to console me. And I want somebody who is going to be able to tell me, constructively, like give me that constructive criticism without me getting mad, and we can't communicate. Because it's like having a supportive partner can make you or break you, and I want someone who can actually make me grow.
Right. And I just was going to touch basics on that, like how a lot of people may have a partner that is giving them some advice, but you guys keep clashing because you think that they're coming for you, and they're really not. They're just giving you constructive criticism. You know what I mean? So you have to know the difference and not always think that a person is coming for your neck all the time. They might just be giving you some tough love or some constructive criticism if they really care anything about your vision. But
how can you know that you have the right partner? Because just when things happen, you may not have, you know what I mean? Because just how you can have friends, you can have a friend of me. Or, you got fake friends, who only support you when times is good. You may not have that friend when times is bad. So how do you be able to determine this is the partner for you that is going to go to the next level?
I mean, honesty. You just really have to be a good judge of character. Does this person, how long have you been around this person? Can you trust this person, with your life? If you went to jail today or tomorrow, will this person run off with the bag, or would they hold the company down? Like, these are the questions that you have to ask yourself. You know what I mean? Because we're business owners, we're growing businesses. So whoever you choose to be your partner, hell, if you strike $1 million, they got $1 million too. So you got to make sure you got someone loyal on your side.
Right.
You know what I mean? So, how do you know that you got someone loyal? God always sends red flags. He will always send you some red flags on people to show you who real and who's not. Just don't ignore those red flags when he sends them down to you.
What do you consider a red flag? Like, what did you...
the toxic stuff, when you argue about little stupid shit, and then it gets to the point where you can't even do your work. Like, I can't even go out and pass out flyers. You can't even, now you so bothered. You can't go pass out flyers. You can't go work on your CRM program. You can't, do anything within the business because now you just got finished arguing with jackass.
Right.
So that's the type of stuff. That's what I mean by it. It's really important. I always talk about your energy and how you need to keep it high. And you need someone to uplift you, man, because as a business owner, you just cannot afford, man. I can't afford to be around someone that's making me feel like shit every day.
Right.
That's going to affect my money. You know what I'm saying? My mood, it affects my money. It does. It affects my money. So I don't even let my kids get to me.
Yeah.
If you notice, I don't let you. Sometimes you be like, why you ain't, you be bombing on me. Like, why you ain't did such to her?
Right.
You know what I mean?
I do because that's a whole nother topic. But, it's just a principle. And that's why I be the way that I be. But just having a support partner is definitely lucrative to have because that partner can definitely make you or break you. And becoming a business owner and being an entrepreneur, it requires focus. And you don't need any distractions because anything can steer you off your path. And you definitely have to be a strong person. You are what you attract, and what you put out there is what you get back. That's just what I believe. And as long as you sow that seed, whether it's, paying for somebody's lunch or you do something, that's sowing a seed. When you think of something, that's sowing a seed. But as long as you put that out there, I feel like you will get something back as long as you're doing something positive. But I really feel like having a supportive partner can really help you grow a whole lot because you guys together can take over the world. Remember that cartoon Pinky and the Brain?
Right. So, yeah, Pinky and the Brain.
Right.
So, yeah, you definitely do, man. That's one key to success is having that great partner on your side, and you're going to have your ups and downs. You're going to argue. You're going to go through it, but be very selective, business owners, on who you decide to choose as your partner, to go on this journey with you. Because your partner is very detrimental to your success. I mean, they hold some weight. Okay. So,
how do you balance work in your personal life? Because, not having a support partner, what'll happen, but how do you balance everything, with family, personal life, and business? How does that work?
What? You want to know how Miss Johnson balanced life, relationship, and business? Mm-hmm. Oh gosh. Well, everybody can't do what Miss Johnson do. I can assure you of that. Me, my life is a little different because I dedicate my world to my businesses and very little goes out to anything else. I mean, sad to say, I have to make sacrifices, because my ending goal is so big and we only got, close the door. So like I said, there's only 24 hours in a day and my time is very precious. It's hard, so I don't have much time. Like today, Saturday, and You literally see me at the park with my kids at the park, and I had the laptop in my lap while I'm at the park with the kids. So I'm working and spending time with the kids at the same time. So my mind, I'm there physically, but my brain is still on go. You know what I mean? So
your brain never shuts off.
Well, yeah, it shuts off when I go to sleep.
Well, I know with me having a supportive partner, I know sometimes we may have our disagreements, but it's like we're able to sit down and talk it out, and I like that because we communicate. A lot of people don't communicate, and I think that's where the problem comes in at, when you don't communicate. So it's like, when you don't communicate, how are you going to understand each other? Because, if you have a disagreement and if it turns to a point where you're yelling, no one hears each other. So I really feel like I can't do this.
Oh, Lord. I'm sorry, y'all. That is kids. You hear in the background. See? As you can see, I am a mother of 5. Okay? I'm sitting in here I'm actually working from home tonight, doing my podcast in here. And it's kids running all around the house, screaming, yelling. So, I gotta go be a mom now. But I really enjoyed this podcast. It was very interesting. All about relationships, man. I'm just gonna close it out like this. Find yours. If you don't have a partner, you need to find a good partner, man. Somebody that can believe in your vision and somebody that can grow with you. You know what I mean? Somebody that's not leeching off of you or just trying to ride that train. Find you somebody that you guys can definitely grow together, man, through this thing, man, because growing a cleaning business it's a lot of work, and you're not going to be able to get to that 6 and 7 figure level by yourself. Okay? Until next time, you guys, I'm out of here. I got to go be a mom. Bye-bye.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join Tenacity Academy Mentorship Program.